So with this video, I will be starting an updated Powers and Abilities series. As you know, everything in the last series got outdated with the 1000 levels update, and I think that's enough for the introduction to the series. So we proceed with the video now. And one more thing, I will be going according to their rarity. So first I'll finish all the commons, and slowly move to mythicals. So now, to Slimey. Then Slimey is the first of common monsters, who is basically a green slime blob. If we go by its in-game description, it states that Slimey is the jolly green slime that could, and it also warns us from touching him as he's pretty sticky. In general, no changes to the description. So moving on. Then Slimey got a medium speed, a little more than 2 tiles radius range, and a single target attack, where he shoots a slime ball at a target enemy, dealing 10 base damage per hit, where his attack speed is 1.33 seconds. So in total, his base DPS is 7, which goes to a total of 17.6 AB, at 3 gold star and 1000 levels. So a huge jump. In addition, Slimey's special power is Heavy Hit, where he shoots a heavy attack which deals 200% damage, and his skill cooldown is 10 seconds. Furthermore, Slimey is also equipped with an evolution. So using a mere of 1000 evolution stones, you can evolve him into a bigger slime, where his description states that he is even stickier than before. I can make a couple of jokes here, but considering my audience also includes kiddos, I will refrain myself from doing it. But moving on, then evolved Slimey also got a medium speed attack, where he shoots slime blobs dealing 105 damage, with an attack speed of 1 hit per 1.33 seconds, making his base DPS to be around 80, while his DPS at 3 gold star and 1000 levels is 176 AB, so 10 times to that of Slimey. Furthermore, being common monsters, both Slimey and his evolution are pretty easy to obtain, where we get Slimey in the tutorial itself, and you just gotta beat Master's Challenge a few times to get enough stones to evolve him, and then he can also be summoned using green orbs. Moving on, then, they can be leveled up to 1000 levels using 6.85 million gold and 76,000 power stones. So evolve him as soon as you can. And that was it with the information part. So now we come to the personal remarks on this monster. So me personally, I neither like him nor dislike. Slimey is basic slime, and that's what makes it best for being first introductory monster, which also makes him his own separate brand. But anyways, I hope you liked this video, and now you will see a gameplay. I will reintegrate gameplay at end of this video series, so it's easy for everyone to see the specified monster in action. Also let me know if you would like to see any other change to my presentation style for this series, or if I should improve anything. Thanks for watching, just keep grinning and aura is mine.